Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. It's like the candy corn inspired type of look since Halloween is on Wednesday. And yeah, I actually really liked how this look turned out. It's not hard at all to do. And in this video I wanted to really focus on the eyes, so I did not include the makeup that I used on my face, but I did put it down below, so if you want to know what I used, just go down below in the description and it'll tell you. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how to get this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to start off with these shades, just putting these into my crease just as a transition shade. Okay, now I'm going to go into this yellow shade and just apply that all over the crease. And I'm going to be using a fluffy crease brush. So I'm just blending it into the crease, just kind of everywhere. You don't have to be too precise with this. You also want to kind of wing it out just a little bit because we're actually going to be doing a cut crease, so. We're going to go into this orange shade and we're just going to apply that a little below where we put the yellow. So we're not going to bring it as high up as we did the yellow shade. Okay, so we're going to go back into the yellow shade and put it on top of the orange, a little higher up than the orange because I did kind of cover it up. So I'm actually going to be using a smaller crease brush and just go into the yellow and just apply it a little higher up than the orange, and this will help also to blend out the orange. Okay, and then we're gonna go into this brush. It's just another like fluffy crease brush, and we're going to go into the orange again, and we're just going to apply it we're just kind of deepening the orange up. Okay, and then we're going to go back into that smaller crease brush with the yellow, and we're just going to blend it a very little on the top of the orange just to make sure you can really see the yellow. Okay, now we're just going to do the cut crease, and I'm going to do that off camera just to save some time, and so I'm going to do that and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished the cut crease. They're not completely even at all, but it's gonna have to do for today. I did not set the concealer yet, because when I apply the shadows, I want them as pigmented as possible. So if you do not set your concealer, the shadow you apply on top will be more pigmented. So sometimes I set my concealer, sometimes I don't. For this look, I'm not going to. You can do whatever you prefer. We're going to go into the yellow shade again. We're going to take this just on a Morphe M433 brush. And we're going to apply this on the wing part of the concealer. I'm not going to do the whole half because it's going to go yellow, orange, and then white. So we're just taking this on the wing of the concealer and then just a little bit on the lid. Okay, now after that shadow is applied, we're going to go in with the orange shade, and we're going to apply this on the middle part of the lid. Into a little bit into the yellow, just so it's blended. Just put this orange on the center because the inner corners and the inner part of your lid is going to be the white. Again, this does not have to be perfect. We're going to clean it up, and once we finish everything, I think it will look better. So, okay, now that we've done that, we're gonna, with the inner part of the lid, we're gonna actually take more concealer, and we're just gonna put this right on the inner part of the lid, and this is just gonna help to brighten it a little more, so you can really like see the white. And then we're gonna go in in a clean like shader brush, and we're just applying a white shadow just to the inner part of the lid. Now we're gonna go back into the orange shade and just kind of blend the colors a little bit, just so it doesn't look like too harsh or like lines when they're separating. The littlest part of white, so the yellow and the orange is going to be larger than the white. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this. Okay, and then we're going to go into the yellow again and just brighten up. We're going to go into the small crease brush with the yellow and just put some on top of the thing. Make sure you're not blending the like lid and like this part, like where we put the concealer away. If you do, you can always fix it. So we're gonna take this NYX liquid crystal liner in crystal silver, and we're just gonna apply this on like the crease, like line the like the cut crease. And we're just going to do that on the other eye. I'm going to do the face off camera because I want this video really focused on the eyes. And then I'll come back and finish up the eyes. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I finished up the face and I just put falsies on. And I just did those off camera just to save time. And I put on the Rogue and Rogue lashes in Noirella. I'm going to finish up the eyes and then move on to the lips and then I'll be done. So I'm going to go into the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Tassel. With just a small detail brush, I'm just going to be putting this on my inner corners. And also, if you want to know what I used on my face, all the makeup that I used in this video will be linked down below, so you can, if you want to know what I used, just go down below and it will tell you. Now I'm just going to finish up the eyes, and I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to go in with the yellow shade, and I'm going to use just the small crease brush that I used before because I want this kind of to be more smoky. So, okay, now I'm going to go into this orange right here that we used in the crease and on the eyes, and I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe M138 brush, which is just a fluffy pencil brush. I'm gonna take this shade and just put this closer, not as all over as the yellow, but closer to the lash line. And I'm just going to go back into the yellow shade just to blend those two colors together. I'm going to go into the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara and just put this on my lower lashes. Okay, that finishes up the eyes. Now I'm moving on to the lips and then I'll be done. I'm going to go into the NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. I'm just going to line my lips and actually partially fill them in. Now after that, I'm going to go into the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Bear With Me and just put this on top. Okay, Okay guys, so that finishes up this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget that all the makeup that I used will be linked down below, so if you want to know what I used, just go in the description and it will tell you. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!